Hey everybody, Deanna Rubino here with Windows Central, and check it out, we got the Lumia 950 XL in our hands. You can see that 20 megapixel camera on the back, along with that triple new flash. It's an RGB flash, so it's supposed to give you more natural tones. Of course, you got the speaker, you got the new Microsoft logo, looks nice, but no Microsoft in the letters, which is pretty cool. I think it looks a lot cleaner. Polycarbonate matte cover, as we came to expect. Very thin device, actually, when you look at how thin that is. It actually feels really good in the hand. It's very light, and it really doesn't feel like a substantial device. Coming to the front here, you're looking at a QHD display. Display looks fantastic, really good. It filters the light very nicely. The bezels on the side are actually very thin, and actually when you swipe out the bottom start bar there, you can see you don't have much room here in the bottom. I would call this actually a pretty slim bezel device, despite what people have claimed on the internet. Overall, it looks good. You got a microphone hole here. Going to the top, of course, you got your front-facing camera and a bunch of sensors. Let's talk about the iris scanner here with Windows Hello. When I turn off the power, you gotta see, of course, I got glance screen, so that's there, which is really good. Now we're going to turn on, and you see the IR lighting up to light up your face, basically. Now, this isn't set up for our face, so we can't fully demo it, but we'll just do the PIN code to unlock here. But as you can see, that's basically what using Windows Hello is like on this device. Very similar to using Windows 10 on PC, just using the front-facing sensors instead. Overall, the performance of the device feels very good. We're talking about a, I believe it's an octa-core Snapdragon 810 processor in here. And definitely Windows 10 feels snappier. Of course, a lot of you guys are probably wondering what version of Windows is actually running on this. I know for you insiders, you're probably curious. So scrolling down here, you can see it is build 10546, so definitely a later version than the Insider release, so you can look forward to that. Overall, the OS does feel very snappy. Of course, we're using a much faster processor here. As you can see here, apps just light up very quickly. In fact, it feels a lot of like Windows Phone 8.1, except with a higher spec processor. Going around to the side here, and you got the, what I think will be somewhat controversial button settings. You do have the middle power button, volume up, volume down, and scrolling down here, of course, we have the dedicated camera button. Overall, the buttons feel pretty nice. They're definitely metal, and they protrude a bit so you can feel them with your fingers. Unlike I would say the Lumia 930s, which were too recessed, these definitely stick out a little better. And of course, you can fire up the camera here. There we go. And there's the camera working. So this is a slightly newer camera app. It works pretty decently. Imaging is supposed to be pretty good on this. Like I said, it's a 20 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization. The camera seems pretty good. I don't know how I feel about it yet. We need to do some more samples, wait till the final version is out there. For those who don't like the 950 XL's matte polycarbonate back, you can swap it out for a third-party one. So this is just one sample from a company called Mozo. They have a natural leather, white leather, and black leather here with nice textile feel and a metal rim actually that goes around the side. So definitely cool stuff. We expect other accessory makers to get on board with this as well. So the Lumia 950 XL goes on sale sometime in November for $649. That's of course off contract. No word on carrier pickup just yet, but it looks like you'll be able to buy it unlocked. Overall though, the device feels pretty premium. I like how it feels in the hands. Overall, pretty decent, but we'll have to wait till we get a review unit and give our final word on it. There you go, the Lumia 950 XL. Head to Windows Central for more information. Take care, everybody.